Everyone, welcome to AM Career Solutions. I have said it before, I have changed the name of my channel from AM Finance Academy to AM Career Solutions because I have to upload more and more videos relating to the career. That means for the development of career, or you will get some solutions and answers related to the career problem or career solutions, you can say. So I set the name of my channel as AM Career Solutions. So before coming to my topic, so I want to say you that don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch till the end. Okay, so एक्चुअली पहले में भी आपको बता दिया है लिवरेज के बारे में, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, व्हाट इज फाइनेंस, द मीनिंग ऑफ फाइनेंस, टाइप्स ऑफ फाइनेंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, व्हाट इज फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, debt, equity, preference share, dividend, fixed interest, like fixed charges for the company. All these things I have said you. See, whatever the topic I have made for you, all this is related to your interview question, especially when you are going to face the finance interviews. I have told you this before. Okay, whatever the topic I have made before. Also, whatever the topic I am going to make, that is also for the interview. Especially after telling this or after elaborating all these topics, I will upload all the financial interview questions, and then some other the pending answers, you can say. Okay, so let us come to our topic. So today I am going to tell you about the investments. That's a very interesting topic, you can say, investments. Okay, because इसमें पैसा ही रहता है भाई, मनी तो सब कुछ ही है. So investment is regarding, maximum people are confused about what the investment is nothing but saving, or saving is investment or something like that. But saving and investment, these are two different things. Okay, so mind me correctly. Saving, suppose you are doing a job and you are getting 30,000 salary. Okay, from 30,000 you have all the expenses. After deducting all your expenses or household expenses, I can say, if you are keeping 10,000 for your future contingencies or to meet some emergency case, that is savings, you can say. Savings, that means the part of money that you are keeping to meet the future expenses or to future contingencies or to meet emergencies in the future, that is saving, you can say, which may give you some extra interest on that if you keep it in a bank or some other sources. But that interest is, again, you can say you are not getting anything because it is against by the inflation, because inflation rate is more than that, so you are not getting anything. So saving does not provide you any extra thing for that, because interest is, what interest is, nothing but compensation against time. Like आप बैंक में इन्वेस्ट में कर रहे हैं, सपोज आप 1 लाख, सपोज आप 5,000 रुपीज किए, सपोज 100 रुपीज आप बैंक में इन्वेस्ट किए, अगेंस्ट दैट यू आर गेटिंग 4% ऑफ रिटर्न. दैट मीन्स इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है बैंक आपको 4% कितने में, 1 साल में. दैट मीन्स अगर आप वो मनी को 1 साल में दूसरा कहाँ पे डाला होगा तो आपको जरूर अच्छा रिटर्न आया होगा. मे भी आप लॉस कर सकते हैं, वो राइट है, लेकिन बैंक आपको क्यों दे रहे हैं, लेकिन वो क्योंकि वो भी पैसा को लेके दूसरा कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा होगा, उतना टाइम के लिए बस आपको कंपेंसेशन दे रहा है कि मैं आपका मनी को इतना टाइम रख रहा हूं, आई एम कीपिंग योर मनी फॉर 1 year एंड आई एम गिविंग यू द इंटरेस्ट. सो इंटरेस्ट वी कैन से इट इज नथिंग फॉर द कंपेंसेशन अगेंस्ट द टाइम. So this is what we call that as savings. So investment is something different from saving, but we can say we are especially used to interchangeably called savings as investment and investment as savings, but that is not actually the things. Investment is something like that. So you suppose you have a job and you are getting the salary also 40,000. Okay, you have all, after deducting all your household expenses or something like that, after deducting all expenses, आपका सब खर्च सब जाके आपके पास 20,000 rupees बचा. You have 20,000. You have kept your money 10,000 in your bank as savings account or in savings account to meet any future contingencies. Okay, so another 10,000. Suppose you are investing in the stock market. Forget about the stock market if you don't know what is stock market. आपके पास जो 10,000 बचा है उसको आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं दूसरा कहाँ पे, लाइक सपोज आप एक दुकान खोल रहे हैं, एक स्ट्रीट में कुछ खोल रहे हैं, सपोज आप एक वेजिटेबल का गार्डन किया और उसमें वेजिटेबल आपको लगा रहे हैं, वो आपको रिटर्न देगा. 10,000 आप इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, उसमें से 3 महीना में, सपोज वेजिटेबल 3 महीने में हो गया, उसको आपको 10,000 के साथ आपको मिल गया 12,000 और 15,000. इन 3 months यू आर गेटिंग द रिटर्न, गुड रिटर्न ऑन द बैंक में 4 रुपया, 100 में 4 रुपया, अगर 1000 में हो तो 40 रुपया होता था, और 10,000 अगर हुआ तो 400 rupees only we are able to get. So this is what we are calling as investment. when you are investing in the stock market, suppose in a company like we can call as a Reliance, you are investing 10,000 rupees before, suppose before 1 year. Suppose you have invest 10,000 rupees now, and after 1 year, the price of the Reliance go by 100%. So just imagine whatever the money you are going to get. That is definitely more than the bank return. But that there may be a loss of money. So investment में loss होता है, profit होता है. Generally, investment is not kept as for savings. It is being done to generate the yield, or to generate more returns, or to gain more profits, or to gain something more. So it is not for special future contingencies. Rather than we can say it give back our money, with that it generates high amount of return. So in investment there is risk. Also savings, we can say actually there is nothing like that where we do not have any risk. एक्चुअली आपको ये पता होगा क्या नहीं होगा, मैं आपको अगले वीडियो में बताऊंगा, क्योंकि बैंक में भी पैसा सेफ नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है वो मैं बताऊंगा. एक म्यूचुअल फंड का एक वीडियो डालो, अपलोड करूंगा बाद में, तो आपको बताऊंगा. सो let us come to investment. So are you getting the difference between the investment and savings? Savings is what? It is a part of the income that you are getting, and you are keeping it to meet your future contingencies, or to meet your emergencies that is going to be happening in the future. Where is investing, when you are coming back to investment part, you are investing your money to get a high returns, or you are invested somewhere to get something more than the savings part specially, and it give back your money with a high amount. There may be some risk associated with the investments. So investment बहुत type का होता है. So accordingly me, if I will say investment is of two types specially. One is for short term and another is for long term. You can say the middle term also you can add. It is in between that. Short term is within 1 year, you can say, or 1 to 2 year also you can take. Okay, 0 to 2 years you can take the short term, and more than 1 year, or 3 to 5 years, or more than that 10 years, 15 years, it is for long term. Okay. So what is it? Short-term investment. Generally, as you know, short-term investments are actually, these are the small risk investments where you are facing a little amount of risk, and you are getting like interest 4 to 7%, or 3 to 7%, 8% maximum. Not more than that. Max to max you can get 9, not more than that anyway. Wherever you kept your money, in bank, fixed deposit, or anywhere. Okay. So short-term investment. What are the short-term investment tools that were also? So the short-term investment especially includes bank deposits, certificate of deposits. Okay, so bank deposits means you can add here bank fixed deposit as well as bank recurring deposits, also all other types of deposit that is available in bank. Fixed deposit also, it is for long term as well as it is for short term. Like you can keep it here for 1 year, or 2 year, or 1.5 year as per your wish. Recurring deposit, that you have to deposit again and again on every month. Every month आपको देना है. That is recurring deposit. You can do it in the bank. So this is the short term. Short term also liquid funds. Liquid funds in mutual funds, especially when you will be investing in mutual funds and they are liquid schemes. This is, you can say that it is for short term also. What are these liquid funds? I will tell you when I will upload the mutual fund specially. Okay. So then we can say money market instruments. All the money market instruments also we can say them as, also they are the short-term investments, like treasury bills, commercial paper, certificate of deposits, repurchase agreement, or corporate short-term bonds, banker acceptance, and all these things. These are the short-term bonds or short-term investments. You can say you can invest here to get short-term of return. After that, you can withdraw your money. Okay, so this is what about short-term, long-term. When we are coming back to long-term, what is long-term specially? So long term means more than 1 year, especially when you are investing for more than 1 year, that is 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The more long term you will invest, the more return you will get also. Actually, the more long term you will invest, also your risk will be also minimized. How? In the upcoming videos I can say you about that. So the long term investments include stocks, mutual funds, gold, provident fund, term deposits, government schemes, bond and debentures, and all these things also. Exchange traded fund, or a lot of things are there where you can invest in for long term periods, like stocks, mutual funds, golds, provident fund, term deposit, government schemes, bond and debentures. I will tell everything. I will tell you everything about all these things and I will make a topic on specially all these topics. Like on stocks, I will make another video. On mutual fund, I will make upload another video. On gold or real estate also, you can say it is for long term purposes. Okay, so bond and debentures, I think I have told you, but in upcoming videos also I will elaborate about bond and debentures more. What is the difference between these two, bond and debenture? Also I will tell you. Okay, government schemes, different government schemes, term deposits, provident funds, all these things I will make separate video for that, so that you can know that better and you can give answer when you will be going for interview. In interview also you are going to face this type of question. Even when you are working, when you will be going to face interview in AMCs or private equities and all these things, you may be asked for investment things. Okay. Also long term investments also includes when you are giving someone loan for long term periods. Also financial derivatives, which is a very interesting chapter, especially when you will be trading in the stock market. Also you can trade for short times, like within one day. That what we can say is intraday trading. And when you will be trading with it, for long term periods, you are holding the assets or you are holding the stocks, that will be for long term, more than 1 year. You can say that is for long term. So financial derivatives in that type of when you will be in trading section of stock market or anywhere, you will be getting the benefit of financial derivatives. So derivative is also very important, and you can say it is also a very nice strategy of also trading, where you can protect your risk also, as well as you can generate by when you will have a very good knowledge in derivatives, also you can earn through that by taking options or derivatives or whatever the thing may be. So मैं आज आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड सेविंग का डिफरेंस बारे में बता दिया. इन्वेस्टमेंट टूल्स आई हैव told you everything, like short term investment tools and long term investment tools. Short term investment tools includes all these things like treasury bills, certificate of deposit, all money market instruments, bank deposits like fixed deposit, recurring deposits, liquid mutual fund, all these things. Also I will make a video on that, don't worry for that. Also on long term investment tools I will make a video also. That actually investment you must know, because it's a very important part of your life. So don't skip this video, see this video, and whatever the video I'm going to upload in the upcoming days, that's very important for you. Why it is important for you, especially because it will be required while you are going to face the interview. Also it is required in your personal life also, because investment is a very nice strategy and it will save your money also in some way. I will tell you later how investment can save your money. Like investment can make you whatever that you can't think, and it will be beyond your imagination. जितने सोचेगा उतने कहीं ज्यादा आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट बना देगा. Like suppose you are eating चाट in the evening in your street. आप इवनिंग में आपके चाट खाने के लिए हर दिन जाते हो, उसमें से 20 रुपये और सपोज पकड़ लो 30 रुपये ही खर्च होता है. वही 30 रुपये को सेव कर दो, उसको इन्वेस्ट कर दो, आपको अच्छा रिटर्न देगा. So investment is a very important part of your life. So in the upcoming videos I will upload all the investment tools, like I will be elaborating all these things one by one. So kindly stick to my channel and stick to my video. So it will give you the good return and good knowledge also. So whatever I am telling you, as per my experience, I will tell you. Okay. So if you like my video, especially अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को पूरा लास्ट तक देखिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. स्पेशली जिसको जरूरत है उसको जरूर शेयर कीजिए. Okay, I have also uploaded other videos that I have said you in the previous or in the introduction part. So all the links are in the description. Okay, so जितना लिंक है वो सब डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, जाइए और वीडियो को देखिए और आगे के वीडियो के लिए तैयार रहिए. आज के लिए इतना ही ज्ञान बहुत है. Thank you.